In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete any computer program or app using the file location. So I have here this shortcut for this program, and I like to go to the file location and then delete this program from there. In most cases, if you just go ahead and right click on a program and then just click on delete, you'll not have deleted it. The only thing you'll have deleted is the icon, but the program will still be active on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. To properly delete a program, you need to go ahead and access the program either through control panel to delete it, or you can go ahead and look for the file location of the program before you can delete it. So if you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I want to delete this paint.net program and I want to do it from the file location. To do so, just go ahead and right click on the program and then choose the last option, which is property. And from here, you will see here we have quite a number of options and we are interested in file location. So click on this option, open file location, and this will go ahead and open the location where this program is located on your computer. And as you can see, here is the path of this program. It is under this PC local disk C program files. And now the program itself is here, paint.net. So which means if I go ahead and click on program files, it is just the immediate folder before paint.net. And you can see here, we have all the programs that are on my computer are available here. So from the list, I can go ahead and look for paint.net. And you can see here it is. I can now delete it from here. To delete it now, you can just go ahead and right click on it and then choose the option delete, and this will go ahead and delete all the files. You can see it is deleting all the files, and we have quite a number of them on this program. And look at that, the program now is no longer available or running on my computer, so it is gone. Now at this point, if I go ahead and click on delete on this, now I'll have successfully deleted the program from my computer. So that's how you can delete a program from the file location. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.